Hello and welcome to How to Play Reversi, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the board game Reversi. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 players. To play, you will need a Reversi game board and pieces. The game pieces all have a black side and a white side. One player will play the black side and the other player will play the white side. The game begins with 2 black pieces and 2 white pieces set up in the center of the game board like this. The object of the game is to have more of your color of pieces on the board than your opponent at the end of the game. Game pieces can be placed on the board when it is possible to trap one or more of your opponent's pieces horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Here, black places a piece that traps a white piece horizontally. When a trap is made, all pieces between the trap are flipped over. Black takes the first turn. A piece must be placed where at least one opponent piece will be flipped. After black makes their move, it is white's turn to play a piece. White will flip the piece trapped. Play returns to black to make a move. Black is able to trap a white piece diagonally. Play returns to white, who traps and flips a black piece. Black plays another diagonal trap. It is possible to trap in more than one direction. Here, white traps black vertically and diagonally. Play returns to black, and players continue to take turns playing their game pieces and flipping over trapped opponent pieces. Once no more moves can be made by either player, the game is over. White plays a piece on the last open spot to end this game. The player with more of their colored pieces up wins the game. Here, black wins with 46 pieces up to white's 18 pieces up. If a player is unable to trap an opponent's piece, their turn is skipped. Here, black doesn't have a move to make and their turn is skipped. White will play another piece. If a player is able to get their opponent's pieces all flipped down, they win the game. That wraps up How to Play Reversi. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!